Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest. This is incredibly useful when you need to attend a meeting but don't have a Teams account, or when you're collaborating with external partners who've invited you to their workspace. First, let's get started by looking at your left side navigation panel. Here you'll want to click on Meet. This section is where all your scheduled meetings and invitations live, making it easy to see what's coming up and join directly from one central location. Once you're in the Meet section, you'll see a list of available meetings. Browse through and select the specific meeting you want to join. Then, click Join. This action initiates the connection process and prepares the meeting interface for you. After clicking Join, it will direct you to a new window. This is the pre-meeting lobby where you can set up your audio, video, and other preferences before actually entering the meeting room. It's a good practice to take a moment here to ensure everything is configured correctly. Now, pay attention to the top of this window. You'll notice your account information displayed there. Right beside it, you'll see a Change option. Click on Change. This is the key step that allows you to switch from signing in with an account to joining as a guest instead. A menu will appear with different options for how you can join. From these options, click Join without signing in. This bypasses the need for any Microsoft Teams credentials and lets you participate in the meeting without creating or using an account. It's perfect for one-time meetings or when you simply don't want to go through a full sign-up process. Next, you'll be prompted to input a name. Type in the name you want to appear to other meeting participants. This could be your full name, your company name, or however you'd like to be identified during the meeting. Make sure it's something professional and recognizable so the host knows who's joining. Finally, once you've entered your name, click Join Now. This will connect you directly to the meeting and you'll be able to see and hear other participants, share your screen if needed, and fully engage in the discussion without any account restrictions. And there you have it, you've successfully joined a Microsoft Teams meeting as a guest, allowing you to collaborate seamlessly regardless of whether you have a Teams account or not. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.